You've tried everything. Early bedtime, no caffeine after noon, blue light glasses, melatonin, and you still wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck. Here's what nobody told you. Your sleep isn't broken. Your light environment is. It takes understanding one thing your brain has been doing for 300,000 years that modern life quietly destroyed in the last 100. Every night, your brain runs a program. It's called the circadian rhythm. Think of it as an internal clock, ticking 24 hours a day, controlling when you feel sleepy, when you feel alert. But here's the thing. This clock doesn't run on willpower. It doesn't run on discipline. It runs on light, specifically the type of light hitting your eyes and when. Most people are sending their brain completely wrong signals, all day, every night, without even knowing it. That's not a sleep problem, that's a light problem. Inside your eye, there's a special cell, not for seeing color, not for detecting motion, just for detecting light brightness. Scientists call it the intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cell. We'll just call it your light sensor. This sensor sends one message directly to your brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus located in your hypothalamus. It tells your brain one thing. Is it day or is it night? When light hits this sensor in the morning, your brain releases cortisol. You feel awake, alert, ready. When light disappears at night, your brain releases melatonin. You feel sleepy, calm, ready to repair. Wake up, sunlight, cortisol, active day, sunset, darkness, melatonin, deep sleep. Simple, automatic, effortless, until screens happened. Most people make 3 light mistakes every single day. Mistake 1. No morning light. You wake up, go straight to your phone, and stay indoors. Your light sensor gets weak, scattered indoor light, so your brain stays confused. That confusion costs you energy, focus, and mood for the entire day. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside. Even 5 minutes of natural morning light, even on a cloudy day, tells your brain, day has started, clock is set, let's go. Mistake 2. Bright light in the evening. Your home lights, your laptop, your phone, they all emit short wavelength blue light. To your brain's light sensor, blue light says one thing. It's still daytime. So at 10 p.m., when you're scrolling through your phone, your brain is not preparing for sleep. It's suppressing melatonin. A 2017 study from Harvard found that evening blue light can shift melatonin release by up to 3 hours. 3 hours. You're lying in bed, but your brain is still in daytime mode. Mistake 3. No darkness signal. Your brain needs a clear transition from light to dark. But most people go from bright screens directly to bed. It's like asking your car to go from 80 miles per hour to 0 with no brakes. The engine doesn't stop just because you stopped pressing the gas. Neither does your brain. Here's the good news. Your circadian rhythm is not damaged. It's just confused. And confusion can be fixed with 3 small daily signals. Signal 1. Morning light within 30 minutes of waking. Outside if possible. Window light if not. Just 5 to 10 minutes. No sunglasses. Your light sensor needs direct exposure. This one habit alone can improve your alertness, mood, and focus before you even drink coffee. Signal 2. Dim your lights 90 minutes before bed. Switch off overhead lights. Use warm, dim lamps. If you use your phone, switch to night mode or reduce brightness completely. You are not punishing yourself. You are giving your brain permission to release melatonin. You are starting sleep before you even close your eyes. Signal 3. Complete darkness while sleeping. Even small amounts of light, a phone charging, a hallway nightlight, can suppress melatonin during sleep. Your light sensor works even through closed eyelids. Blackout curtains or a simple sleep mask can make a bigger difference than most people realize. 3 signals: morning, evening, night. You are not fighting your biology. You are finally working with it. Most sleep advice tells you to sleep more, but your brain is not broken. It's ancient. It evolved in a world with a clear sunrise and a dark night. Give it that, and it will do the rest. You don't have a sleep problem. You never did. You just needed better light. See you in the next one.